Throughout Affinity Designer, you have the ability to blend colours together to create, modify and enhance designs. Where you use blending and which modes you use will come down to your creative choices, but this is how to apply them. Here we have a basic design. Let's have some fun with it. Currently, all the layers in the document are set to normal. This is the default blend mode, where the pixels of upper layers display over underlying layers regardless of their colour value. Let's change the blend mode of the black cherry red text layer and see what effect this has. Multiply will combine the colours in the selected layer with colours underneath, always producing a darker colour. Screen is the opposite and always produces a lighter colour. Difference will produce a colour which is the difference in the colour of the selected layer and the colours underneath. Now, if I activate this shape layer here, the text colour changes subtly because the colour underneath changes. If we change the hue of the shape, the colour of the text updates to one of the blend mode applied. However, we can also alter the blend mode of the shape layer to modify the design. Setting it to subtract will subtract the colour value of the selected layer away from colours underneath, with negative values giving black. Finally, we'll display this curve layer and set the blend mode to lighten, which lightens the colours underneath based on the colour values of the selected layer. If you're not happy with any blending, you can either update the blend mode or, for vectors, change the colour of the object. Furthermore, you can dramatically change a design by changing the colours of the underlying layers. Blend modes are not restricted to layers, they also appear as an attribute of adjustments, effects, and brush colour, to name just a few. Keep an eye out for and experiment with blend modes as you get creative in Affinity Designer. Thanks for watching.